Alrighty, sometimes you're going to have a house that has a set of sediment filters in place. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that if you ever have these pressure gauges up top, that you kind of regularly take a peek at them so you can see what the difference of pressure is, right? As the filters start to clog up, the inlet side will have higher pressure than the outlet side. And once you start to notice a major discrepancy, then it's time to change out these filters. Most modern filter setups will come with these gauges. Just keep an eye on them. Changing these filters is not too complicated. However, if you don't change them, you will have severe drop of water pressure. So if you don't have these gauges, go ahead and get one put on inlet and outlet side. They will help you know exactly when you need to change the filters versus just doing it on a 3-month schedule.